Hey guys, Bentley Blonde here, and I've partnered with FABFITFUN today to share with you guys their spring 2018 box, and I am so excited because it's really good, you guys. Like, this box is chock full of amazing products. I'm really impressed with this season's box, so I can't wait to share with you guys what's inside. I do have a $10 off coupon code, which I will put down below in the description box to get $10 off of your first box. They are typically $49.99 per season, but with $10 off, obviously, it would be under $40, and the boxes always have over $200 worth of product inside. So really a great deal. I have been subscribed to FABFITFUN for 5 years since the beginning, and I have never been disappointed with a box. It's the only subscription service that I've stuck with. So definitely recommend checking them out. They always have full-size fashion, beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. It's like Christmas 4 times a year, so you just can't beat it. So here it is, guys. Almost $350 worth of products in this season's box. This is a really, really good one. So let's dig right in. So first in the box, you're gonna get a coupon from HelloFresh. It gives you $50 off your first 2 boxes and free shipping. We love HelloFresh in this house. We've done it a couple of times, and it's just such a time saver, and the meals are so delicious. Highly recommend it. And then of course you're gonna get your FABFITFUN magazine. I've already flipped to the page that has all of the retail info for the products, so I can tell you guys how much everything costs. And again, the box is just about $350 value, so really amazing. First item in the spring box is from Rachel Pally, and this is her reversible clutch. And you might get yours in one of 3 different designs. I got the one that is mustard yellow, and then it has a really beautiful burnt orange floral pattern on the inside. So this is a reversible clutch, so it's almost like getting 2 clutches in one. So you have this beautiful faux leather side that's mustard yellow, and then you can flip it over and you have a floral clutch. So really perfect for spring. It's gonna go with a ton of different outfits. I love this little tassel detail here. How cute is that, you guys? So a really good size clutch. You can see it has a zipper closure, and it is flipping huge inside. So really awesome if you're going out to the club, going out for a night out, going shopping with the girls. And this clutch retails for $60. So just the clutch alone is gonna pay for your box and then some. So loving this Rachel Pally reversible clutch. The next item is a travel eye mask from Free People in understated leather. I love Free People, you guys. They have the most amazing, amazing stuff. So this is a vegan leather eye mask, really amazing for travel or just relaxing at home. It has this gorgeous metallic star detail on it. Mine is in this beautiful blush color. It has an adjustable elastic band in the back, so you got a big head, you got a little head, it doesn't matter, you can adjust it to fit you. And the really awesome part is that it has a cooling insert. So when you put this on your eyes, it is not only going to block out all of the light, it's also going to really help depuff your under eye bags. It's gonna be amazing for depuffing my weary old eyes, you guys. So I love it, really chic and cute. And this eye mask retails for $40. Next product is from dermelect. This is their Makeover Concealing Ridge Filler. This is a professional lacquer. This nail treatment is not only going to conceal nail imperfections, but it's also going to provide your nails with vitamins, minerals, and protein. Really a perfect product for spring, because if you're anything like me, you have been washing your hands like a crazy person trying to avoid the flu, the stomach bug, colds, everything that's going around. And obviously, just like your hands get dried out, your nails get dried out as well. So you really need to replenish that moisture and just help to repair them, because they can get flaky, breaking, everything. So this is a really awesome product, and I love that it's like a pearly shimmer. Just apply this to your bare nails, and it's gonna be an amazing neutral looking polish, and it's gonna help restore your nail health. So love that from dermelect, and that retails for $18. So next I'm gonna share my jewelry choice item. You have a choice between Etika tassel earrings and this Maya Brenner love bracelet. And I chose the little love bracelet. It is this adorable, delicate little silver bracelet, and it says love on it. Look how cute that is, you guys. Super delicate, really great for layering with other bracelets for spring. And this Maya Brenner love bracelet retails for $65. Next is a massage roller from Physique 57. Do not be intimidated. When I first saw this, I was a little freaked out, but I'm telling you guys right now, this is the most amazing massager ever. My husband and I were giving each other massages on our backs. Colton wanted to give me a massage on my back with it. Everybody loves it. This little baby is awesome because not only is it going to help with sore, achy muscles, but it also can improve flexibility and break up scar tissue. So you better believe I'm going to be rolling this all over my thighs, trying to get rid of that cellulite. These balls feel so good on your body. I know that sounds really weird. It sounds really bad, but I'm telling you right now, it's really amazing. So I love it. It retails for $20. Next up is a beautiful candle. I was really excited about this because you guys know I love anything decor related. And this is really gorgeous. It's from Anderson Lily. It is their Sunset Collection candle. Mine is in the scent Super Bloom, which is the most amazing spring smell ever. Gosh, it's just the freshest floral scent. Oh, I absolutely love it. And I love, love, love the copper packaging. So when you're done burning your candle, when you get to the bottom, just clean it out and then you can reuse this copper jar to plant herbs, succulents, whatever you want. Really chic. It's nice and heavy, great quality. This candle retails for $45. Love that. Super excited about that, you guys. So I told you there's a ton of products in this box. It was so heavy when I got it. I was like, oh my goodness. So next item is actually a sponsored item. This is just a bonus. It is the Dove Exfoliating Body Polish with crushed macadamia and rice milk. And believe it or not, I've actually already tried this new product from Dove because I had heard so many amazing things about it, and it definitely lives up to all the claims. This exfoliating body polish is awesome. Highly recommend it, especially with winter now coming to an end. You want to exfoliate all of that dead skin off and just reveal the beautiful skin for spring, ready to get all tan and luscious. Next is Murad's Skin Perfecting Lotion. One of my favorite skincare brands. Everything that I've tried from them is really amazing. This retails for $40. It's really ultra light. It's oil free. I actually used it this morning and it just felt amazing on my face. You guys know that I have combination skin, so I can't do anything too heavy, too oily, greasy. So this was really nice. It just kind of felt like nothing on my face, but I could definitely feel that my skin was hydrated and supple. So really loving the Skin Perfecting Lotion. And it's also going to minimize pores. It's great for blemish prone skin, which I also definitely have, so it's not going to break you out. Next in the spring box is from KNC Beauty. This is their collagen infused lip masks. And this is a 5-pack, so it comes with 5 lip masks, which I think is amazing. Retail value is $24.99, and these are literally the cutest lip masks ever. This conditions, moisturizes, plumps, and hydrates. So you apply it to your clean lips for 15 to 20 minutes. I actually did this last night right before I went to bed. They do kind of tend to slide off of your lips, so I definitely recommend laying down in bed and just applying this, and then I just kind of played on my phone. And my lips felt so much more hydrated this morning. I guess I didn't even realize how dried out they'd gotten because these lip masks have just like changed my life. So definitely recommend checking these out. I was excited to get 5 of them in my spring box. And then last but not least, I was also really excited about this because I love Ish. Everything that I've tried from them has been amazing. So this is the Ish Lip Statement Palette. A really good size palette. It retails for $42. Comes with 11 super pigmented shades and a balm. So does it get any more perfect than that? I don't think so. Has a really beautiful mirror. I always love their packaging. Really nice mix of beautiful neutrals at the top, pinks and berries in the center, and then reds and oranges at the bottom. So definitely something for everyone. So many different spring and summer looks in one palette. I absolutely love it. So I'm actually gonna try it out right now. I have lipstick on, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off. These glosses are enriched with shea butter, jojoba oil, olive oil, aloe vera, so super hydrating. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys. I'm gonna be using this shade right here, which is a beautiful cool toned pink. The palette does come with a little lip brush, which is actually really nice, so that's awesome. Wow. This is way more pigmented than I was expecting. Awesome. And then I'm just going to use my finger to apply the balm over top that comes with it. It's really yummy. That's actually a really fun pink, isn't it? I like that. And it's super moisturizing, even without the balm. It felt really nice on my lips, but I like adding the balm just to give it a little more of a glossy look. So I love that. Really impressed, and super fun because obviously you can mix and match all of the colors to create your own custom shade. So yes, you are going to get this amazing-ish lip statement palette. So that is everything, you guys, that's in the spring 2018 box. It's amazing. Like I said, I absolutely loved everything. So you just can't beat the price with my coupon code $10 off, spending under $40 for a box that has this many items in it. I just can't even. So definitely be sure to order your spring box. Again, my coupon code will be down below, as well as the link to the FABFITFUN website. So head over there before they sell out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you thought of FABFITFUN spring box. And until next time, bye guys.